tayo. The unwavering spirit of standing together as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong. One Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Mas Bishop!
At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, iba!
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporters? Sinong supporters niya? Papayag ba kayo nun?
Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng tao sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
At ang sigaw ng
Duterte!
mga Davaoenos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong mataganinang adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget!
Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenos!
Isang malaking hiyaw! Pauwiin si Tatay Digong!
And who are we standing for?
Duterte! Duterte!
Tapos puso po natin ginagawa to, walang bayad, tama?
Tama!
Mayaman tayo!
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
If only you can see yourselves from our point of view, this is a very emotional moment for us.
Hindi ito edited! Ganito kami kalaban! We love you, Tatay Digong! Hihintayin namin ang pag-uwi mo! Mahal naman ka namin!
Tatay Digong! We stand with FDRRD! If only Tatay Digong could see this, kahit man lang sa video. But I'm sure the spirit that we have here right now is radiating all the way to the Hague, Netherlands. And we are really praying for the immediate release of our Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat na Buenyo. Ang haba pa nito. More than 3,000 of you shouting the same name.